How gardening heals your body, mind, and planet. Imagine feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or emotionally stuck, then finding peace with your hands in the soil. That's what gardening can do. Whether you have a backyard or just a sunny windowsill, the healing starts right where you are. Number 1, gardening is real exercise. Gardening is more than digging and planting. It's a full-body workout. You squat, pull, lift mulch, stretch. It's functional fitness with purpose. Dr. Umar Awan shared how helping his dad in the garden left him sore the next day. That's how real it is. It improves flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health without stepping into a gym. Number 2, gardening boosts mental health. Nature reduces stress and anxiety. Even just 15 minutes around plants can act like a mental reset. Gardening decreases cortisol levels, helps with depression, and soothes our overthinking minds. People with dementia showed reduced agitation after time in gardens. It's not just a theory, it's backed by neuroscience. Stanford Study 2015. Nature walks lower activity in brain regions associated with anxiety. Number 3, you don't need a backyard. No yard? No problem. Apartment gardening is a thing. Start small. Herbs, tomatoes, even lettuce in a pot. Use a sunny windowsill or rooftop container. Claire's rooftop garden started with just 2 plants. Now it's her sanctuary. Number 4, nature literally changes your brain. Soil can activate your parasympathetic nervous system in 5 minutes, switching you from stress mode to calm. Just looking at plants or fractal patterns in nature reduces heart rate and blood pressure. Why? Because nature reconnects us with a sense of awe, a feeling of being part of something bigger. Number 5, it's good for the planet too. Gardening isn't just self-care, it's eco-care. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Growing your own food means fewer car trips, less packaging, and lower emissions. Every basil plant, every tomato, every green space helps slow climate change. Number 6, special benefits for seniors. Elders benefit enormously. Gardening builds strength, helps with mobility, improves mental focus. Indoor plants, container gardens, or window boxes are perfect alternatives. Even arranging flowers can boost mood and reduce agitation. Tips: use benches, non-slip shoes, water early or late, stay hydrated, wear gloves. Your garden, your growth. Even in the smallest space, even in the hardest times, nature shows us how to heal. You're not just growing plants, you're growing calm, you're growing resilience, you're growing a better planet. Start small, grow big, reconnect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a little peace in their life. And tell us, what's the first plant you'll grow?